Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fund new industries in OpenTTD. So here I've got one of my existing railway lines, and I can see here that I currently have two forests here that I want to connect up and potentially send the wood to a sawmill. However, I don't have any sawmills currently at the end of my line here, and I would be very interested in the idea of funding one that would basically be within the catchment area of this station. So in order to do that, all I actually need to do is come over to the Industries tab here. And if I hold down on this and come down here, you can see that I actually have the Fund New Industries button just there. And if I open that up, you can see a list of industries that I'm able to fund, such as bank, factory, oil refinery, power station, sawmill, and steel mill. If I want to build the sawmill, all I need to do is select it, press the Fund button here, and you will see that a highlightable square has now popped up on the area that I'm currently hovering over. And if I just go ahead and press this, you can see that I have now funded a new sawmill. It cost me £650,000, and you can see now down here that this station has begun to accept wood. So I can now begin to add trains to this existing track to drop wood to this sawmill. And that is how you fund new industries in OpenTTD.